AI-powered algorithms have paved the way for construction industry to overcome the hurdles it has been facing since ages. You want to know it too, right? A warm welcome. My name is Siddhant and I am here on your search request for a career transition to data science from the construction industry. So, why do you want to have a career switch to data science? Is it because you feel your work has become stagnant? Or is it because the construction industry is not an idea fit for you? Or did you find the data science truly intriguing? The questions can be endless, but the answer can always be one. The answer is something which you will need to find out and comprehend. The thirst for success is what matters in the end. If you are dedicated for making it in the data science domain, you can definitely switch from the construction industry. So, first, let's check out the most basic and most important skills that a data scientist is expected to have. First, we come to the technical skills. Python programming. As the most popular and most adaptable programming language in data science industry today, Python can handle everything from data mining to website construction to running embedded programs all in one unified language. R programming. R is an integrated suite of software facilities for data manipulation, calculation, and graphical display. R is more prevalent in academic contexts compared to Python. The software can implement machine learning algorithms quickly and simply and provides a variety of statistical and graphical techniques such as linear and non-linear modeling, classical statistical tests, time series analysis, classification, and clustering. Hadoop platform. Hadoop is a collection of open source software utilities that allow data scientists to process large data sets across clusters of computing using simple programming models. SQL database. SQL is a domain-specific programming language designed for managing and querying data held in a relational database management system. Machine learning and AI. Few data scientists are truly proficient in machine learning, those that stand out. Machine learning helps analyze large chunks of data using algorithms and data-driven models and can automate significant parts of a data scientist's job, such as cleaning data by removing redundancies. The most competent data scientists are familiar with machine learning techniques such as supervised versus unsupervised machine learning, decision trees, and logistic regression. Data visualization. Data visualization is the graphical representation of data using visual elements such as charts, graphics, maps, infographics, and more. It sits right in the middle of technical analysis and visual storytelling. As big data becomes increasingly integral to business, data visualization is becoming a key tool in making sense of the vast volumes of data generated every day. A data scientist must be able to visualize data using tools such as ggplot, d3.js, and Tableau. Now, we switch to the soft skill, communication. Good communication skills are crucial in most data scientist role. As a data scientist, you will need to understand business requirements or the problems at hand, probe stakeholders for more data, and communicate key data insights. Storytelling. Statistical computations are useless if teams can't act upon it. So, storytelling skills are crucial in the form of oral communication as well as writing and data visualization. Good storytelling means that analytical solutions are communicated in a clear, concise, and to the point manner. Collaboration. You'll need to collaborate with various teams in the organization to understand their requirements and gather their feedback to reach solutions. Depending on how specialized you are in your role, you may have to work with fellow data scientists, data architects, and data engineers. Learning. Data science technologies and framework evolve so fast that it's futile to try to master any single one. Rather than aiming for perfection, you are better off cultivating the patience and discipline to teach yourself new things and learn new concepts quickly. So, this was all about the skills that a data scientist must have. It'll be a great scenario when you actually exhibit all of these skills. Not only you will be ready for the various challenges that this field will throw at you, you can also help the organization grow and perform better, which adds immense importance to your worth. The construction industry has always been a victim of poor planning, management, budgeting, miscalculations, cost overruns, low return on construction assets, mistakes in proportions, and insufficient means for the building. Data science is called upon to make these problems miserable and facilitate construction on each of its levels. The construction companies use the benefit of data science to improve construction sites and manage the building process. Now, how should you go with the preparations? Which resource to take into consideration? which institute or website to trust. There must be hundreds of questions that would lurking in your mind as of now. Don't worry, that's precisely what I'm doing here right now. I would like to present to you the key player in adding value to data science professionals, the one responsible for students bagging lucrative job offers from big companies, none other than Skillslash. Skillslash has paved way for all the data science aspirants to become one of the best in their fields. Not only the Skillslash team helped individuals create a career for themselves, but it has also made sure that learning curve is never affected. One thing that you'll always hear about Skillslash is that it makes you fall in learning. So, what about Skillslash? The classes that take place in there are faculty-led and are 100% live and interactive. Industry leaders from varying domains will be there as your mentors to ensure value addition. You will work on the real-time and live projects by the AI company, and Skillslash will guide you throughout the journey so that you don't feel burdened or alone. You will have a 3-year flexible subscription to ensure that you don't stop learning even if the circumstances make you do. Lastly, the Skillslash support team, with its rigorous support facility that makes all of the enrollees ready for future challenges. So now, when we pass the baton to you, will you finish the race with us? Do you trust us as we make sure you are future ready? In the end, all it matters is that you make it to the end. We at Skillslash would love for individuals to excel in data science field, even if it's not with us. So, whether or not you pick us, we still hope that you sail through. Happy learning!